In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a procedural abandoned city using Blender's geometry nodes. This amazing, abandoned city generator is a product of the talented Miha Marinko and is available as a free add-on. Get ready to dive into the world of procedural city creation. To get started, simply download the free add-on from Gumroad and open the Blender file. Within this incredible tool, you will discover 3 powerful geometry nodes: city generation, plant generation, and generation of other objects. The city generation node allows you to fine-tune your city's layout, adjusting parameters like X and Y width, building roads, and crafting the overall terrain to your liking. Moving on to the plant generation node, you'll have the freedom to tweak the size and density of trees, vines, and grass to add that crucial touch of realism to your abandoned cityscape. Last but not least, the generation of other objects node empowers you to control the density of various elements such as streetlights, cars, rooftops, electric cables, and walls. The possibilities are endless. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to learn about procedural city creation with geometry nodes. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow Blender enthusiasts. Let's embark on this creative journey together.